In this video, I want to show you the asset warp tool, but more specifically, how to use it to deform and animate a single bitmap image. So I'm going to import my bitmap image. It's an image of an inch worm that I created using Photoshop. So now the next step is to select the asset warp tool and click here, your toolbox, and hit W on your keyboard. I'm going to make about 5 or 6 handles using this tool by clicking directly on the bitmap itself. The mesh is detecting just the artwork itself because the bitmap has a transparent background. And so I have added 6 handles here, as you can see, and that should be plenty. And here in the timeline, all I need to do is simply click on another frame and hit F6 to insert a keyframe. Now, when you start animating by moving around these handles and even rotating them, you can see here, if I hover along the outer circle that is detected, I can rotate and further deform the bitmap. So let's make this inchworm walk. I'm going to move these handles in a way that represent how an inchworm or a caterpillar would walk. A little further down the timeline, I'm going to insert another keyframe. And continuing by pushing and pulling these handles. To make this little character walk. And so just to show you how this looks. Let's go, and I'm going to apply a classic tween. And while we're at it, let's add a little bit of easing. So I'm going to click on the properties panel where it says classic ease. I'm going to select ease in, out, and quad will do, and then just continue the animation. And so now just create more keyframes and continue animating. So here the completed inchworm walk cycle, if you will. And overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. So let's take this to another level. In Photoshop, I took a photo of a praying mantis and added the parts so that they were all on separate layers, and then I imported that Photoshop file into Animate. And here are all the layers that make up this praying mantis. And then use the Asset Warp tool. Just as I had done with the inchworm, I created handles. And using these handles, I went ahead and animated this character. And with a couple of other photographs that I shot, I place him within a scene. So whether you are animating vectors or bitmaps, the Asset Warp tool is a really cool new addition to Adobe Animate.